Fortnite OG Chapter 1 Season 1 in 30 seconds. How to play Fortnite OG Chapter 1 Season 1. All you need to do, guys, just support me in item shop, support your favorite creator. Use UFO187 in item shop. All you need to do, guys, just launch Fortnite like me, but do it quickly. When you launch Fortnite, move here to play, scroll down and you will see here live Fortnite OG Chapter 1 Season 1. Just go here add to favorite and go here play. If you don't see this like me, Fortnite OG Chapter 1 Season 1, just close Fortnite, move here to library and find Fortnite, go on these three dots and move here to manage and make sure you have on auto update and verify files in case you need. After that, launch Fortnite and enjoy playing Fortnite OG. Chapter 1 Season 1 is here, guys. That's it all, guys, for this video, how to play Fortnite OG Chapter 1 Season 1 OG Fortnite game. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video. Don't forget to support your favorite creator.